Right, hello everyone, welcome to the live stream. We have some new high level updates. I think I missed 1 week. Last week we didn't have a live call. Has some stuff going on, but I'll make it up this week because I have two live calls. One today on Tuesday, and then the next live call is an hour from now on Thursday. I think an hour from now. So I'll just cover a few updates. We still have plenty, lots of new features coming out to high level. And then I'll cover even more on Thursday. That's going to be a longer call. So welcome to the call, everyone. I see more and more people are joining, so we'll get started in just a second. If you have any questions, drop them in the chat on YouTube, and then I'll make sure to respond to it. And then thanks for being here. All right, so let's start with the latest high-level updates. We have a new add-on for the WordPress hosting, which is going to be the disk space. So there's a new feature coming inside this update, which is going to be the notifications. So you will get a usage alert at 80% and then 100%. And then the goal of this is that you can extend your the disk space on WordPress so you can keep using your website smoothly and you don't need to update your entire hosting plan. You can just purchase extra storage in 25 gigabyte increments. So each increment is going to cost $12, and it's basically just for higher stability and then for easier storage management. You can get started by going to the agency level and then reselling WordPress, manage, and going to add-ons. So I'll jump to my agency account, go to reselling, and then we need to look for the WordPress, which is here. You can already resell. So high level is selling for $10. You can make up your price and then profit the difference. But now we need to go inside manage. And then for the add-ons, we already have the disk space add-on. So it automatically, first it includes 12 gigabytes. It's gonna be shared across all sites. And then you can add more disk space. So let's say I want to buy 50 gigabytes more. There's going to be two quantities, and then you can enable the add-on and then just purchase the plan. So it's going to be a monthly price. Each month you have to pay for the 25 gigabytes. The next update we have is the global custom colors. So a couple weeks back, we had some updates to the branding side. You were able to add a branding book, and now it's following those updates, so it's going to make sure the branding is unified across everywhere in your sub account, across the funnel builder, inside the form builder. So now you can add colors in the global settings. It's a new feature under brand boards, and then you can use it on funnels, emails, forms, and you can also import existing colors from custom values for a quick setup. So to use it, here's in an example image. To use it, you need to go to marketing, brand boards, and then open the global settings. So I'll jump into my sub account and then show you. So we need to for marketing and brand boards. So let's go here. Let's look for marketing. And then we have the brand boards. So I already created a couple of examples earlier for the design kit. So under design kit, you can add the colors, the logos, but now we have the global settings option as well. And then you can add your custom colors and custom fonts are coming soon. It's not available yet, but this will be rolling out soon. And then you can add your custom colors. You can import previous custom colors. So these would be imported from custom values. I don't have any under custom values, so I just need to add a new one. And then you can use the hex codes for this, or we just try something manually. And you can name it your brand green dark. Let's say it's the dark green. And then you can save. And then here's a custom value built for this color. You can edit it, duplicate, and then you'll be able to use this everywhere. And then yes, you can add more colors, and then again you can import more. So it's one more update to keep your branding consistent, and it's going to be used for a quick rebranding as well, and it's going to be easily accessed because it's available everywhere inside forms, emails, and all the funnel pages as well. The next update we have is the Smart Send feature. So I was actually talking to some of my clients and they were suggesting that it would be nice to have a similar option for the social posts. So now the email sending is going to be using AI basically. And then AI is going to recommend the best sending times. So you don't need to set manually. It's going to adjust based on the customer behavior. So the problem was the email campaigns usually underperform when you send them at 4 a.m. or maybe you don't adjust it to the client time zone, or you send it late at night and not at the peak times when they open the emails. So now there's a new option included called Smart Send, and then it's going to analyze the engagement data when they click, open the emails over the last 60 days, and it's going to provide you with the best time recommendation per email campaign. So to use it, you again need to be under the marketing tab and then go to email builder. And then under campaigns, you will need to create a new campaign. So let's see, I'm under the marketing tab. Let's switch to emails and then let's build a new campaign together. Let's create a campaign. Here's an engagement summary of my emails so far. It's actually just an example, but we can create a new campaign. We can use, let's start with blank. And then you can start with text editor, design editor, or code editor. I like the design editor with drag and drop editing. So you can start the email design from scratch. You can use the image, the text. Now let's actually check a template. So create a new one, use a template. Let's say the skincare. And then first you need to read the email. So you have to update the copy and everything else, add the call to action buttons. And then once you click finish it and you save it, for me, I have the autosave turned on, but if you click send or schedule, you have 5 options now. So you can send now, schedule, batch schedule, or the new option is the smart send. So smart send is the one we want to test. And then for this one, you have to, I'm not really doing email marketing on this account, but for this, you'll have to set up at least 1000 emails to warm up your domain, and then you'll have the email data to use this option. So once it's met, the smart send will enable automatically. And there's actually a spam score coming soon. You can also preview the email. And yeah, for now I can just schedule. Once I have 1000 emails, I can start using the smart send option. It's a great improvement. And then I'm just looking at some of the other options you have. So you can select on which days you want to send the email. You can get suggestions for the sending time. You can also track the clicks, the UTMs, and then you can launch the campaigns and then see the analytics on how it performs. And then you can compare the data if it's any better than your previous email campaign. Next update we have is the blog part. So now you can collect emails on the blog site. You can subscribe to the blogs specifically. So it's a new feature. You can collect the emails from your blog with just a simple form. So for this, you'll have to go under Sites, go to Blogs, and then go inside the blog builder and then open the site editor. So let's go back again in my sub account and test this feature. So we are looking for sites on the left side. And then I need to open blogs. And then here's my blog. So here's my blog page currently. Wupscale.com per blog. So here are some of the latest blog posts. It looks super simple. So we'll go to edit the blog site. And then on the top left, we are looking to add elements. Click the plus icon and then scroll down. And then it's actually not marked as a new feature. So you have to look for this. It's here, subscribe to mailing list. So you can just drag and drop. Try to edit at the bottom. And you can change the tags as well. So subscribe to our mailing list. Get more marketing tips straight into your ebox. And then you can choose tags to associate with the new submissions. So you can change the background color, simple design, or you can do it without an image. I'll probably use this one. And for the background color, you can use some of your branded colors. And then it's going to be visible on desktop and phone as well. Here's how it looks on mobile. The font might be a little too large. But if I publish and take a look at the preview, let's see how it looks on desktop. Here are my blogs. I scroll down and then you can join and subscribe to the mailing list. So pretty simple feature, and it's going to let you collect some more leads from your SEO and marketing efforts. For now, I'll remove it and just keep my website without this feature. But there's also a new step tied together to this. So here's a subscribe form we already added. You can customize the styling and then publish the blog page. And then you can start sending the email campaigns with the tags. And now you can also automate the blog updates with tags and email campaigns. So whenever you have a new blog post going live, you can send it instantly to your mailing list, which is a pretty nice update. You no longer need to do it manually. So for this, you'll have to be inside the email campaigns. So again, it's under the marketing tab, emails, create a new email campaign, and then under RSS header, you'll have to use the RSS schedule option. And then here under recipients, you'll have to use the tag that you are using in the blog sign up. So it's going to be sent to the same tags. And then here's a screenshot of how it's going to look like. And then whenever they subscribe with your new form, they will automatically get your new blog posts in their inbox. So it's great to grow your email list, to capture more leads, and then to better distribute your blog posts across your mailing list. Next update we have is the comment. Actually, we have two updates to the social side. The first is to the social planner. So now you can respond to the comments inside the social planner. Currently, it's only supporting Facebook, but they will be rolling out with the other platforms as well. So similar to Meta Business Suite, where you can manage your inbox for Facebook and Instagram, and then manage your comments for Facebook and Instagram, you'll be able to do the same inside HighLevel now. So you'll have to open the social planner, navigate to comments, select a specific post, and then view comments in the new comments tab. Here's an example, and then you can reply directly to engage with your audience. So you can see all comments, top comments with the most engagement, but currently it's only supporting Facebook comments, as I mentioned. So new platforms are coming out soon. Again, a new feature inside the Socialpreneur is now Meta Threads is added as an integration. So you can connect it and then start posting and then look at your analytics inside HighLevel. You'll have to connect it using your Instagram login, and then you can start creating posts, scheduling posts, or save posts as drafts or publish instantly, so similar to other platforms. So let me go back again to my sub account and then go to marketing, and I'm under social planner, and now you'll see Threads is now available in social planner. You can connect to Threads. It's going to create a pop-up, and then you'll have to enter your login. So you need to allow all cookies and then connect it to Threads. I'm actually curious if you are already using Threads for your marketing. I haven't signed up yet, so I'm curious to hear your experiences with the platform. But now you can use it inside HighLevel as well. Personally, even for my social posts, I'm currently using another tool. I don't schedule my posts inside HighLevel, but with all the updates coming out, I might start using it because it's pretty well integrated across all platforms and it's included in your subscription, so why pay a different tool? The next update we have is the dashboard and custom report. Now it's going to be available on all plans. So the 97, the 297 and the $497 plan as well. All these sub accounts are going to have access to multiple dashboards and customizable reports. And now you can also schedule the reports. So you can do the weekly reports, the monthly reports much easier. This will your VAs are going to love this because it's going to save so much time. And I think it's just a great feature that you can now use it on all plans inside HighLevel. So actually, if you don't have a plan yet inside HighLevel, you can get a 14-day free trial if you sign up with my link. It's under this live call on the YouTube channel. And then it's the second link I have. You'll get a 14-day free trial and all my bonuses. And you'll also get free access to my premium school community, where we talk more about meta ads, HighLevel, and some advanced strategies. So try this out, and now you will also have access dashboard and custom reports. And that's it for the week. This is the last update I had. There are still tons of updates that just rolled out. We had plenty coming out yesterday on Monday, so I'm going to cover them on the Thursday live call. Otherwise, I'm going to end this call soon. These were the main updates. There were some smaller ones that I did not include because I think these were the most important. So let me know if you have any questions about these updates. How do you plan to use them? If you already use HighLevel or not. And then if you are not using HighLevel, you can get a 14-day free trial using the link in my description. So thanks for being here today. Stay around for a couple minutes to answer your questions if you have any. Otherwise, I'll see you on the Thursday call. Have a nice evening. Have a nice day.